Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. Today we are going to see Arduino board device which have different parts which we are going to see each and every one in this video. So please, those who are not yet subscribed, please subscribe to my YouTube channel, make comment and share. First of all, as all the electronic device, in order to work they need the supply. For Arduino board also need the supply. Arduino board has three types of supply. The first one, it is Arduino board which use USB cable as a supply. That USB cable can be, and it is always connected to the laptop. That USB cable can be used to transfer the program to the Arduino, and can be used also to connect or to supply our Arduino board. The next one, it is external power connector. This external power connector, which is on Arduino board, it supply the Arduino board and can give the supply which is between 7 volt to 12 volt. If you supply this Arduino board with the power which is below that one, the Arduino board is not going to work properly. The third one, which is the last one also, it is also external power connector. This is also the power connector of Arduino, which is external. You can supply the Arduino board through that power connector, and that power connector also can supply using the power which is between 7 volt to 12 volt. Those are the three essential parts of power which you can use one of them if you want to supply Arduino board. After that, we are going to see different parts of Arduino board which you can see if you have Arduino board. First, the part of Arduino board, they are separate, or they are classified into two different parts. They are the digital one, which is here, which are connected, or if you are going to set the pin which are on that part, you find the D in front of it. And there's also the analog one, which is will be represented by A. For that, let's start by see the single color LD, light emitting diode. The first one, it is connected on D13. This is the single LD which is on D13. After that, we have three simple three colors. Simple three colors, it means there are three colors which are on one port or which are in one position, but those three color can be white, can be shine different time or at the same time. First of all, those three colors, they are called RGB. It means red, green and blue. They are also on red 2, 3 and 4. The first one, it is connected on D9, the second is D10, and the third one, it is D11. After that, you have digital controller. We have digital controller, which some people call also the switch. The switch can be different, but you have 4 switch on Arduino board. Those 4 switch, they are monostable button. To me, each button, it is alone. They are not connected together, all those 4 buttons. The first one, it is connected on D4. The second one, it is connected on D5. The third one is connected on D6. The fourth one is connected to D7, and the last one is on D8. Those are the switch which are on Arduino board. Apart from that, we have the analog sensor. The analog sensor, they are the sensor which you can find on Arduino board. So from those analog, we have also the potentiometer, which is on A1. You have the light sensor, which is on A3. we have thermometer, which is on A2, and microphone, which is on A0. Apart from that, on Arduino board also we have IR receiver, which is infrared receiver, which is on D3. It means it is a digital one. Apart from that D3, you have buzzer with generator. Buzzer, it is also a digital pin, but also it is also an output device, because it produces the sound which you can get outside. Apart from that, you have text LCD display, 2 times 16 characters. So it is an LCD display which can display with 2 lines. Each line have 16 characters. So this is a display what we are going to see on our Arduino board. The next one, it is OLED graphic display. OLED graphic display also, or it is called also interface display. This is also another display which you are going to see on this Arduino board, and that display we are going to see how we can use each and every one which is on this Arduino board. The next one, you have 7 segment display, which are connected via I2C expander, so which is 0 times 24. These 7 segments, we are going to see how we can display different number on those 7 segment display. So on this, we are going to make a program, as always we do, but this program will be displaying anything as we want. The next thing we are going to see, it is LD power, indicating correct power of the system. It is an LD, or it is a light which show if the Arduino board is getting the power which is needed. The next thing we are going to see, it is small monostable button, which is called also reset. This is the button you can press if you want to reset our Arduino controller or Arduino board. The next thing we are going to see, it is small monostable button, which is BT80 mode. It means Bluetooth 80 mode. This is the button where you can press or you can use if you want to send or connect our Arduino with any other external device using Bluetooth. The next one is sliding 2-position switch. It is BT on and BT off. It is a switch which is used as a Bluetooth, where you can press if you want to put the Bluetooth on or to put the Bluetooth on off, in order to connect or disconnect our Bluetooth with external device or component. Apart from that, we have also ground. Any device or any electronic device have a supply, and they have also a ground, because if it doesn't have a ground, it cannot be a complete electronic device, because anytime you supply any device, you have to send the supply, and that supply must have the positive and the negative or ground. So in order to work or to make it function. So those are the most important parts of Arduino board. So thank you for being with us. Don't forget to subscribe, make comment and share. Thank you.